Accidentally deleted an important Word file? Or lost a project report after a system crash? Don't panic. Your document files can still be recovered. In this video, I'll show you how to recover lost document files like a pro using RecoveryFox AI, a powerful tool that digs deep and recovers what others can't. Fast, easy, and no tech skills required. First, visit wonderfoxrecovery.com to download and install RecoveryFox AI from the official source. You can also click the link in the video description below for direct access and follow along with our step-by-step recovery guide. Important to know that never install any recovery software on the drive where your files were lost. This could overwrite the data and make recovery impossible. Once installed, launch RecoveryFox AI and register it. If you're recovering files from an external device, plug it in. The program will automatically detect and list it in your drive section. On the main interface, click the drive where your files were deleted. The software immediately begins scanning that drive. RecoveryFox AI starts with a quick scan, which quickly retrieves recently deleted files and displays them under the dedicated Quick Scan folder. After that, the AI scan kicks in automatically, which is designed for deeper level recovery. It can locate long-term deleted file fragments and intelligently reconstruct them into complete documents. You can pause the AI scan at any time to preview or recover files. RecoveryFox AI supports previewing all common document formats including docs, PDF, TXT, and XLSX. Once the scan is complete, browse the results by file path or file type. Select the documents you want to recover. Choose a location to save your recovered files. Here is a tip. Always save to a different drive from the original one to avoid overwriting any remaining recoverable data. And that's it. Your lost documents are back, safe and sound. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more smart data recovery tips with RecoveryFox AI. See you in the next one.